Guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Like I said to you guys yesterday, daily videos now on Litecoin, Bitcoin, crypto, metaverse coins, crypto news in general. Today I'm just doing a follow-up video on Litecoin simply because what I said yesterday literally happened. We were literally hanging about here at this big red candle at the top of it, $245 yesterday as I made the video, and I said to you guys we will be pushing down. My stop loss will, my take profit will be at 215. So that's literally what I said to you guys yesterday, and we haven't hit it. But we are having the second thing happen, which I said yesterday. So let me just take you through that. I want to say to you now, we will be doing big giveaways every single week in Litecoin. So I'll be giving you guys free Litecoin just for commenting. And that will be simply, I'll explain it more throughout the video. So just stay tuned for that. Make sure you're listening for that because I'm sure you don't want to miss out. Simply because Litecoin was always regarded as Bitcoin silver. It's not Bitcoin silver. I think it's Bitcoin superior. It's much faster than Bitcoin, much cheaper than Bitcoin. And it's incredibly undervalued right now. That's why obviously I'm dollar cost averaging in. I haven't sold my whole portfolio of Litecoin at all. I do trade it simply just to get more. I sold some at the top, right about here, and I sold some here, and I took a short position down here, which my target is down here. So obviously that is a way for us to actually increase our bag, hold more of a coin that we want. I said to you guys yesterday, let me get this cursor off the screen. I said to you guys yesterday that simply because we broke out of this neckline of this double top right here, you see this double top right here, yeah? Simply because we broke out of that neckline right here, we will be heading lower. We might be heading to retest these EMAs. The 15 has crossed with the 50, which is incredibly bearish, which of course I like to see. So that obviously shows me that we could potentially be seeing a much lower move for the cryptos in general. I'm just focusing on Litecoin because it's the one that I see as a literal 100x coin. If you look at Bitcoin at $230, it wasn't there very long. Litecoin was at $40 last year, and it did not stay there very long whatsoever. I did manage to get in here and ride that all the way up, which I said to you guys in a trade. I said that live to you guys in a trade, in a video. So what I say, whether you guys listen to it or not, I'm not saying it for any clout or whatever. I'm just saying it to try and help you guys get a understanding of the market, of the coin better. So I do think we will see a slight push up. I think it might be a wick rather than a candle close. However, I trade it going up and down. So if we do see a clear, if I get rid of this coin, if we see a clear, well, let's go into the hourly, make it a bit easier for you guys to see. So that's a big green engulfing candle. And that has obviously happened because we've seen a little bull flag come out. Let's draw that for you guys. Here you go. You can see a nice clear bull flag. And we have broken out of it successfully. And we're testing this channel right now, this falling triangle. I do think that we might come up to test this neckline a bit more. And if we do that, then we will potentially see a much bigger fall to the downside. So we could come up, retest it there. Let's get rid of this, make it a bit neater. And then we could potentially see something along the lines of this. So we could get a pump straight back down. That is what I would be trading. But I don't think that will actually happen. So it looks bullish on the hourly simply because we've broken this 15 EMA. However, that can easily be retaken down with a bigger wick to the downside. So we honestly just have to wait and see what happens with this. I do think that the broader market with regards to Bitcoin is coming a lot lower. So that's obviously the double top I drew yesterday. And to show you, I literally drew that and showed you guys that if we do break that line at 60k, we will be coming down much further. And look, we actually have broken it. So like I said, that it's a massive resistance. That's why I've got these points up. Usually you would go long at a position here, long here, take profit here, short here, take profit here. That's how you trade. I trade support and resistance. Like I said, it's the easiest way. There's no point, you don't have to mess about with so many different trends and riding it up and taking a stop loss here and stop loss here, take profit here, take profit here. It's too complicated. I trade support, trade resistance, take profits. That's it. I think that's the simplest way to actually trade, and overcomplicating it can actually make things much more serious and just overcomplicate emotionally. But I do overall think that we might be just coming up to test these EMAs and just coming straight back down. I'm not a bear. Like I said, I trade both of them, but that's what I'm saying. I'm giving you guys the honest opinion of what I think is actually going to happen in this market. So if we do come up, then obviously this 60.8k is support, and we can likely see a rise up to about the 63k, where resistance will be in for the 50 EMA. But I would trade that. So if you guys want to take note of these prices, you can have a look. So I would get in here if we see a bullish flag pattern or something, and my stop loss would be just under 64.4k. That my take profit, sorry, apologies for that. That's what I will be trading. But yeah, so focusing more on the main subject of this video, Litecoin, I do see this potentially coming lower. But like I said, so comment on these videos with Litecoin giveaway, and you'll be randomly selected every Sunday. So I'll do it on a Sunday, and it will be this one. We'll see how many people get comments, and it will be $10 giveaway. That is small, I know, but it's still free $10, and that will get you 5% of a Litecoin. Yeah, if you had 5% of a Bitcoin back in the day, that is literally worth £3,000 now. So big difference, and it just helps with your bag. Do you know what I mean? I'll obviously do bigger giveaways as we get bigger, as we grow. But this is a free way for you guys to actually build your bag. Thank you guys. I hope this actually helped you guys with your trend analysis, with your TA, with your trades. And if it did, be sure to like, subscribe, and tune in for the next video. Thank you.